Remember at the beginning of the pandemic when lumber prices shot through the roof? They went up 4 or 5 times what they had been for the past year or so. That largely has gone away. We saw at the very beginning of the pandemic, due to the supply chain disruptions, we saw lumber prices, like I said, go 4 or 5 times what they had been pretty steadily for a while. And that fluctuation, I mean, it dipped pretty immediately and then went right back up, and it was wildly fluctuating for a couple years there. You should be happy to know that nowadays lumber prices are back where they should be. We're still about 25% above where we were at the beginning of 2020. However, when you account for inflation, that's about where we should be anyway. And we've been steady around a year at this point. So when you're looking at any large project, anything where the price of lumber is going to greatly affect the cost of that project, a major remodel, anything that requires framing, building a deck, building anything that requires a decent amount of lumber, you should be happy to know that those prices have come way down and are really back where they should be. So now might be a good time, as we're coming out of winter, to look into that rehab project or that deck building project or whatever large project you were pushing off due to the cost of lumber and the increased cost of constructions. It's probably a good time to look back into that now.